Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever wanted to get your hands on Snowflake? One of the biggest data platforms out there? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own free trial account. And the best part? It comes with a cool $400 in credits, and you don't even have to pull out your credit card. Let's do this.
So, let me ask you, you want to explore one of the world's top data platforms for free? I mean, who wouldn't, right? That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to get you set up to test, learn, and build, all without spending a single cent.
And look, this is not some stripped-down, barely functional demo. Oh no, you get a full 30 days of access. You get a whopping $400 in credits to really play around with. And, like I said, no payment info needed. All you need is a valid email. It is literally a zero-risk, all-reward way to dive into Snowflake.
Okay, let's jump right into the sign-up process. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. We're just going to walk through it step by step.
All right, step 1, the basics. First thing you're going to do is pop over to signup.snowflake.com. You'll see a pretty standard form there. You know the drill: name, email, company, all that good stuff.
Now, here's a great little tip. What if you're a student? Or maybe you just don't want to put in your company's name? No sweat. You can literally just type student or any random name in that field. They make it really easy for anyone to get started, which is awesome.
All right, so once you've got those basics filled out, we get to the fun part, customizing your trial. This is where you actually get to choose how your Snowflake environment is set up.
Yep, this is step 2, customizing your trial. It really just comes down to 3 key choices you have to make.
So, what are those choices? Well, you're going to pick a Snowflake edition, a cloud platform provider, and a geographic region. Sounds a bit technical, but don't worry, it's easy. Let's break them down, starting with the edition.
Okay, first up, the Snowflake edition. The easiest way to think about this is like the trim level on a car, you know? Each edition comes with a different set of features and services, from the standard stuff to the really advanced high-end tools.
Now, to make your life easier, there's a really solid recommendation here. Just go with the Enterprise Edition. Seriously, it hits that sweet spot with a great balance of powerful features, so you'll get a real, proper taste of what Snowflake is capable of.
Next choice, the cloud platform provider. So here's the thing about Snowflake. It doesn't have its own data centers. It actually runs on top of the big 3, AWS, Azure, or GCP. You get to pick which one you want your account to live on. It doesn't change much for you day to day, but it does affect the next choice,
which is the geographic deployment region. This is just the physical location of the data center where your account will be. And yeah, the options you see here will depend on whether you picked AWS, Azure, or GCP in the last step.
And here's a little pro tip for you. This one actually matters. To get the best performance, the fastest speeds, just pick a region that's physically close to you. It cuts down on latency, which is basically the travel time for your data. Simple as that.
Okay, once you've made your picks and you smash that Get Started button, you're almost there. Seriously, we're on the home stretch. Just a couple more clicks and you're in. Step 3 is super easy. Activate your account. As soon as you submit that form, Snowflake shoots an email right over to the address you gave them. So all you got to do is jump into your inbox, find that email, and you'll see a big button that says Click to Activate. Give that a click and boom, your email is verified and your account is ready to go. That activation link will whisk you away to the very last page. This is where you create your username and password.
And that's it. Just pick a username you like, create a nice, secure password, and you are officially done. Your account is live. So, what exactly did you just sign up for?
So, hey, congratulations, you're in. Now let's talk about what you get inside this free trial. What's the deal with the credits and the time limit? Okay, first off, you get $400 in free credits. Think of this as your playground money. You can use it for compute power, for storage, basically for everything you need to really test drive the platform. And trust me, $400 is a lot of credit to play with. You also get 30 days to explore. Now, here's the key thing to remember. Your trial ends after 30 days, or when you've used up that $400 in credits, whichever one happens first. So just keep that in mind.
So what happens when the trial ends? Are you going to get a surprise bill? Absolutely not. Your account just gets suspended. That's it. You can still log in and look around, but you can't run anything. If you want to keep going, you have to actively choose to add a credit card. It's totally in your hands. No tricks.
And that's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you now have full access to an incredibly powerful data platform.
So, the real question is, what are you going to build first?